What's going on, y'all boys? We finna build a little PC with my homies. 20. We got in this room we got a collective IQ of 20. We're gonna try to not blow this PC up. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, yeah.
We need a screwdriver.
But we don't have a screwdriver, Andre.
You don't need it for the CPU.
Why is it so
Once we get
big?
past the CPU, we're stuck.
Yeah, which is the first step.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
No, why is it actually massive though? Pause. Why is this massive? You chillin'?
It's supposed to be big.
Alright.
Keep. Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah, if I drop this shit, you're fucked.
Yeah, actually, don't drop it.
No, wait, no.
Does this knife work?
It's like that.
Or is that too much?
Why do you have this in your room?
Chill.
Why do you have?
Nah, you can't
Why
you can't
Why do you have this in your room?
Michael's here. Michael! What if I just hold it the whole time?
Oh no. We already destroyed his computer.
Yeah, you might want to get a screwdriver though.
A screwdriver?
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a
Your
screwdriver.
stepdad has a whole thing in the bag.
Oh my God.
How do you plan on building a PC without a screwdriver?
A coin?
No,
Why do you get a screwdriver?
I know. Let's do the first step. The CPU.
Oh, you're gonna bend the pin.
Chill on me.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh.
You can put it.
Where?
I want to open the latch.
Where can I see
Kevin.
Huh?
Let's go step by step.
Anywhere, just on the lobby.
Come here.
Come in.
First, you gotta pull down the lever. Oh.
What the hell is this?
This is to hold the CPU.
What the? No, cause why is this massive? Am I right, Michael?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, you are ugly.
I know you're not talking about.
Yo, you are ugly.
You're not talking
Point the camera on this, dude.
Right
He's
there, right there.
hideous.
Where's the triangle?
Look, put this corner
the
here.
bottom triangle.
Let gravity do it, you know?
Yeah.
What?
Like that. Softly. Don't put any down.
Don't put pressure on it.
And it just blows up.
Okay. Now you
Is that Michael?
Oh! First step done.
Oh my God.
That's good.
We did it. We did it.
That's the hardest part, not gonna lie.
Wrong, Jason Tatum.
That's the hardest part.
Wrong, G. We did it.
No, that's the most expensive.
Yeah, I know, that's the hardest part though. Look, hardest part done.
What's nice?
RAM.
The
We got RAM.
cooler.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Thank you for the follow. Say thank you for the follow.
Thank you for the follow, man.
Kiss the
What's
camera.
the name?
Kiss Josh.
Love you, Josh.
Don't ever kiss Josh ever again. I don't even know what I'm doing. I've never been. What is that?
This is the cooler.
Why is it not a cooler? I thought the cooler was a fan.
Because you have to put it on both. You have to connect them.
I'm not trying to.
Yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. We need a screwdriver.
Get it?
Buddy,
Yo,
go get your
I don't
screwdriver.
have a screwdriver.
Go ask your stepdad.
Anyone that has keys?
Keys? I have keys. Is this a needle?
No,
Oh,
it's
that's the
space.
thermal paste.
Are we taking syringes?
Are we doing fentanyl?
No.
You.
Can I say that?
Yeah, you can say that.
Give me the knife.
The knife. The knife is TOS.
As
Kevin's a bitch.
What'd you say to me?
What's your problem?
No, thank you. What if I just put it on the fan?
What if you put this on a carpet?
What if I low key? Should I just put it on the carpet?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna blow up. No, like, I'm being dead ass. Your shit gonna blow up.
No, I don't think so.
It might not blow up, but it'll burn your car. So.
That's money. I'm gonna do that one. Click it in the right side first.
He's got the best drip here, not gonna lie.
No, me.
I definitely do.
Oh no.
I got that.
What the fuck are you wearing? Blue and red?
Oh!
Can I get water?
It's behind you. I bought water bottles for everybody.
Oh, word?
Don't break it now.
Shit.
Don't break it now.
You're gonna see a giant crack split like the whole motherboard.
What if I just start
Let me take out one.
spewing? A Michael, you hungry?
A little bit, that's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna ask my mom if she needs food or if she's just gonna buy it. You hungry? No, I know you hungry. Look at you.
No, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I got this.
Be more towards the outside.
Try not to break my.
Now, the Intel
This is all trash.
installation.
This is
Intel
trash.
is
Now,
the.
let's just
Ooh!
I needed
now.
that.
Intel
You needed that?
has
I was seeing if they're
financial
compatible.
Inside
Oh my! I
Wait,
asked.
keep watching the video. I'm gonna.
Bro, you like I looked up at you and I see it.
Yo, Michael, grab the camera. I gotta do 25 push-ups.
You heard?
It's like this.
25 push-ups.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's do one at a time. Hold this screw. Make sure.
Aye. Even though I'm sore as hell. Oh my wrist hurts like a. One.
Oh, screw it. Look.
Three. Oh. Yeah, my form is perfect, bro.
13, 14.
Yo, is my ass fat?
Even my grandma
Yeah.
can do 25 push-ups.
Yo, is my ass
You
fat
should do
though?
50.
No, I can't do. Yo, how much is that, Michael?
20. One more.
I'm good off that, bro.
Alright,
I was so good off that.
Come on, you just fix yours.
I got a whole lot of ass
Yeah.
back here.
Shit.
Yeah, I did it upside down.
Should I peel it off?
Look, Michael, am I smart?
What?
Should I peel it
Whole
off?
lot of ass.
It's supposed to go down. Cause like these go up, right?
I'm gonna
Cause
peel
you
it
have to
off.
flip this upside down, you know?
I'm gonna peel it off.
Chillin'?
No, don't peel it off.
Word, man. I haven't
I
heard
know, but
from
we're
you
not
in a
gonna be able to
minute.
peel it off
Hey!
either. Let's stop peeling.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Yo, buddy, this is upside down.
What's-
Oh, yeah, Andre,
you
you
put
put
the
the-
wrong one.
Yo,
Again?
Andre, bro.
That was
I did that one.
no.
Yes.
Oh, I put the wrong one. Shit.
Oh, no. Wait, so is it good? So
What's
Andre
it?
didn't fuck it up?
No, we didn't collectively fuck it up.
Collectively?
It's a group effort.
Collectively, we
You're
all.
not doing shit.
Collectively,
You're
we.
the mind.
Collectively, we
No.
all chopped though, right?
Right.
We're all chopped
Except
collectively.
Michael. Except Michael.
No, Michael's the most chopped person here. Michael, put your
I
face
don't
on the
think
camera,
that.
Michael.
I don't think
Michael,
that.
put your face on the camera, Michael. Do you, I'm not gonna lie, Michael. You are chopped.
Low key, yeah. A little bit.
I'm gonna lie. The most chopped person here is on.
Cause look, it's in the hole.
Now King Davis was old and stricken in years, and they covered him with
Is that the
clothes.
Bible?
But he got no heat. Wherefore his servant said unto him, let there be sought for my lord, the king, a young virgin, and let her stand before the
Wait,
king.
take out the screw real quick.
And
See
let
if it
her
even fits in
cherish
here.
him, and let her lie in thy bosom. Bah, bah.
What do we do here?
That my
Same
lord
I
the
don't know what I
king,
did.
that my lord the king may get heat. Can I get an amen, guys? Who doesn't love the Bible?
It conducts cold air. I mean, cold
Sorry.
air.
buddy.
Sorry.
Let me try.
Wait, check it out the
Why?
screw though.
No,
Try
no,
this.
no.
You know what I mean though?
Yo, what if I eat the thermal paste?
No.
Eat it.
Oh shit, my fingers are turning.
Your fingers are turning gray. You dumb.
Yo, but it was like Play-Doh, so I was like, yo, that shit looks fun.
Alright, I'm just don't even.
You don't
put
have
it-
any like encrypted data on the computer?
I don't know what that means.
He's gonna destroy your computer.
Like porn. I got a lot of that. And
Andre,
hentai.
do you need help?
Yes.
No. Why would you ever download that?
I know you have.
I have downloaded?
Yes.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I have.
Why would I ever download that?
I don't know. You seem like that.
Just hold it.
Oh my god. Actually,
Much love, Kevin.
you broke my PC.
Ah, it's not broken.
Okay, you are.
It's not broken.
I'm not gonna lie. You are all morons. How about that?
Buddy,
talking?
you're sitting
How
on
about
You
that?
wanna build it?
Have
you done anything?
Yes, I bought this. You.
Build it. Build it all.
No, I was actually about to swallow too.
I was telling y'all, it's from the bottom.
You could.
Oh.
Yo, it's in place.
Yeah, we did it. We did it. Guys, we did it. Guys, we did it. Guys, we did it, right? No, yeah, no.
No, that
Yo,
one's
who
good.
took my chair, bro?
That one's good.
Who took my chair?
Yo, Andre.
Yo, Andre.
Yo, relax,
Yo, get your
relax.
hands
I'm
off
building
me.
your computer.
Get your hands off
No, he
me.
doesn't.
I'm paying you for this.
No, you're not.
I'm paying you for this.
One screw.
You always trying to do the most, bro. Dead ass,
You're
bro.
doing the least right now. I don't want to hear
I
it.
am doing enough. How about that? Look, I may not be doing the most to you because you're knowledgeable, okay? But to me, this is the most I could do, right? We're both doing the most just in our respective area, okay? Just because you're giving 100% of your 100% doesn't mean that I'm giving
You're good,
10%. I'm giving 100%. Not your 100%, my 100%.
Does this have a specific way to go?
I think so. They're in the bag. Wherever the bag is.
Where's the bag?
Hey, put the
Sorry.
fries in the bag.
Bag.
Oh,
What do you have a measuring tape?
what you mean? I gotta measure my dick somehow.
Alright.
What's next?
That's it. We're done with this.
That took way too long.
That's SSD now. Oh, my fucking bag.
We're living a good life.
Bro, we need like a light, like a. Wait, you think we could
Like
bring
an
that light?
overhead fan. Or not fan.
That's better. Can you try to like hold it? Just hold it here.
Yeah, let me turn on this flash.
No.
Why is it flickering?
Oh, it has low battery.
Cause we need light.
It's fine. It's
Alright,
good.
so
It's good.
I'm gonna try
It
again.
works. So Michael, you're kind of being not helpful right now. How about that? How about that, huh, Michael?
Are you screwed in?
I'm holding shit. So the
I'm
tiny
also-
screw.
You gotta make sure that
Oh.
What?
it was on the thing.
Yeah, my bad, Tucci. No, my bad. No, I was busy, bro. Yeah, you know last time we talked, I was visiting up the huz, bro. You know how I be.
You put on the light. Be useful.
What you mean? I am useful.
So we just leave it like that?
I'm very
Yeah.
useful. I'm not like, I have no idea what I'm doing.
There's no cover or anything?
No.
It didn't come
I'm-
out?
What if that shit just breaks and explodes?
It wasn't us.
No, you can't do anything. You have to put this back in. Wait.
What the fuck?
Sausage party, word the huz.
He is the huz.
I'm the huz, bro. I'm the
I bet
huz.
what's next?
I'm the huz.
I think that's
Case.
SSD.
What the hell?
And then we put the case in with the GPU.
It's not always about
Let's put the GPU inside
huz.
the case.
Oh, wow. Why are we all standing up? What's happening?
Big shift.
Get the case.
What's happening? I'm scared. Wait, what are we doing?
Move.
I'm moving. I'm sorry.
Shit.
Did this come with?
Is it over?
Am I? Yeah, I'm paying them. Yeah, I'm paying y'all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm paying all of them.
Definitely not hurt against my foot.
What? I'm paying all of them, bro. That does though. Come on, guys,
I
we
gotta
got
learn.
this. Let's go, team.
Can you hold it from above?
Put this over here.
Let's go, team.
Good shit. Now let's see if it stands.
Watch the motherboard fall out. Then it should stand obviously.
Hey, we're getting somewhere.
Hey.
Imagine if we kept the CPU cooler on the wrong way and it just fell right now.
Where's the knife?
I have an antique PC.
Where's
But-
the knife?
but-
The knife is on the.
You motherfucker, you are antique. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, the 4060.
What do you do? This? What?
It's time for the 4060. I
You're out here cutting the box.
Oh.
Lucky to be.
It's time for the 4060. Yeah. Aces. Isn't this a super end?
If it's. I just don't remember.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, show the chat. Show the chat. Oh my god. Oh. Don't drop it, please. Why does it have actual like 50 pages of instructions? An RT. 47. So now you came here to flex, huh? You just want to flex now on me, huh?
Where do we plug that in?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
6 times 2.
Oh,
I
it's
just want to make sure that
Don't we need a.
I don't know about that cable. I don't know what that is.
It's so
Like I have no
beautiful.
clue about that. I know we need it.
Michael, the only one that it fits in is in that
Yeah,
one.
it fits in that one. And I think that fits in like the bottom of the motherboard, like down there.
Oh my god.
Move.
Wait, what are you guys doing? Why are you guys talking about blowing shit up?
See your fans.
Wait, what's
We're
happening?
blowing your shit up, bro.
Wait, what's happening?
Either your fans are gonna stop spinning, or.
Is that look, Michael? This is the dilemma.
My fans are gonna stop spinning. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why do you have so much fucking cups?
They're from every place on Orlando.
Look, Michael, you see this? These go directly good with each other, right?
You like that though, huh?
Do they connect?
They connect good.
Oh yeah, I
right?
also got Levi's on though.
Mhm.
Oh, I know.
What the fuck do I connect this to?
That's the fan though. The
Oh
fan.
wait, is your
Oh,
are your
there's
fans
LED
LEDs?
one.
Are your fans
Oh.
LEDs?
Those fans are LEDs. Those fans are LEDs. Are you stupid? You didn't know these shirts were LEDs?
No, we thought they're just white, bro.
What? I've never seen a white fan before.
Yeah, they exist.
Bro, those
Look,
are
look,
LEDs,
look, look.
dumbasses.
LED C2 and LED 2.
Yo, y'all telling me you asked.
We
Bro,
spent,
you
we
bought
spent
it, saying-
20 minutes trying to connect LEDs to your fans, bro.
I need to see this.
You're actually trolling. And that's a monitor. I don't know why we have all my show on top of a monitor, man.
Why is your monitor just out of the box? Where did you
No,
get
no,
it
no.
from?
I have two monitors. That
Yeah,
one's an
mine-
old monitor. That's the 40 hertz one.
Yeah, just use this as like the
The
off to
second.
the side.
That's
yeah,
the chat. That's the Spotify monitor.
I think I put it on. Okay, I can't really see.
Oh my god, bro.
You think that's on, Michael? Come here. Look at it from the
Oh,
side.
dude, you're looking at that shit like you understand what is happening.
Bro, move. You're blocking this
Yo, Andre,
entire.
why didn't you just grab? Ah!
I'm sorry.
Oh, Andre, why can't you just
Look
grab
right
a regular chair?
Yeah, I
Oh
think
my
so.
god.
I bet that. We got your RGB working, but we don't got your fans working, gang.
Yeah.
Oh,
they're
yeah.
just gonna be glowing. They're not gonna be spinning.
Wait, can they glow that? I want to see them.
They're gonna glow.
Not
They're
yet.
not gonna spin, bro.
Okay, plug this in.
Wait, so what? What are we testing now?
And the GPU works.
How do we test that?
Here's the fan.
Oh my god, you mean it's gonna make the airplane noise?
Yeah.
Like a car? Wait, it's not quiet? Wait, my PC's not quiet?
I mean, it would be, but like we're just trying to hear if we hear the. Yeah. Yeah. I think so.
Yeah, that's working.
It's working, guys. Bless you. And I got 3 fans. 4 fans.
5,
What do you mean
6.
5?
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7! Did we actually build it? Is it done?
No.
Yeah.
Well, you need to do all your operating systems and shit,
We're
Let's put the case on.
and the panels.
Wait. We're missing the operating
Alright,
system?
let's do the thing back here.
Are we
We're
putting
missing
the
a
thing
lot
back
of-
on?
Alright.
Are we putting the thing back on?
Yeah, but look, tie this all up.
What about the
Okay,
operating
management.
system, guys?
That's when we put it on.
Oh, flip it around so we could like.
Cable management.
I'll
Basically,
hold
it's
it
just
on.
this. No, wait, there's a bunch that you didn't get.
Where?
Yeah, just here.
I mean, not cut the wire.
Give it a little bit, yeah.
A little more.
A little more, guys.
No, whatever.
Nah, it's not.
Jesus.
Now do the bottom one. Yeah, give it a little bit. Yeah.
Wow, that is great cable, guys.
It is.
Oh, for real?
Better than what we expected.
Better than what we had.
We knew how to figure it out, guys.
We figured it out.
We
Not
did. We did figure it out.
You were when
Ah.
I was at my lowest, you were there to morally support me.
I don't know what I did, but
You gave me moral support.
This is.
Yo.
Something.
What?
Angel.
what movie did you watch?
I had time to.
Yeah.
It's working. I got it.
Yeah.
I just had to spin it a little bit.
The what? The Wasp?
The monkey.
The monkey. That's like a horror movie.
The Edwin?
Was it
like
good?
What? Not chill.
I'm going to the bathroom and some dudes are watching the same movie as us.
We need to side
and
quest first.
they had just left when the movie finished. They walk into the bathroom and they're like fighting. And the dude's like, yo, what did I do? And the dude's like, bro, you put me on with Chuz. They were running a two-man. And the dude's like, bro, you put me on with Chuz. And
Wait, this thing.
Oh no, we have to put this on first, right?
Wait, did we fix like the yellow like the yellow LED?
It was
No way.
Like,
he was
doesn't that mean like we need to fix something?
rookie mode. And I
Like
was
if
washing my
the
hands
lights
and I was
yellow on the
like,
motherboard?
No fucking way, man.
Is that just because like the one fan wasn't?
No, this has a thing though. It's fixed.
Take it off that.
We're basically.
We're basically
We're
done. We just have to clean up.
You have to clean
No,
up.
you're not leaving till I can tell you you're leaving.
You're cleaning up. I built you a PC.
No, we have to fix. We have to find an Ethernet cable.
I think you just
What?
put it on, like the bottom of
Are you refusing to feed them like slaves?
No, I fed them all.
I think Tom goes first because
I even fed Andre with this little cheese weird obsession.
Wait.
Oh my god, you almost broke my whole shit. We can just do that. I'm so hungry right now.
Wait, is the back good? The bottom good?
This is the little things that didn't put in.
That doesn't really matter, right?
If you want, you can put that in yourself.
No, I'm good.
We'll leave the bolts here.
No, I'm good. No, badass, I'm good. Underground.
Just don't spill water.
Where's your camera?
because-
Oh yeah, you're right. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good thinking.
You need to take some wire out of it. I don't know. Where are you gonna plug this in?
What are you gonna unplug from the power strip?
The computer.
What computer? The JBL speaker?
No, the computer. I think. Wait, see where that leads? If it leads that way, then yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Take it off. My bad. Sorry.
Do the great plug.
Wait a minute.
Andre, put the LED.
Wait, no, you took the off on the wrong one. Wait, plug that back in.
Andre, here.
Mm. We need to figure out what the hell is happening up there.
You can figure that out.
I'll figure it out.
No, I got you.
I don't know what's happening anymore.
That man is not standing.
Oh my, wait. Oh, she's sweet. Oh, my beautiful king, she's sweet.
You're taking on the box for once.
I've never done this before.
You just collect the boxes with them too.
Yeah, I've never done this before. Boom.
This guy does not stand at all.
He does.
You,
Nice. You just got like 12.
Look at him.
And I
at
just
that
got
point,
one.
why not just?
Oh, he's so tough. Oh, he's actually so tough.
Alright, boot it up.